Good day everyone. Today's session is about the forces that are going to influence the organizational behavior. The learning objective of this session is to understand the forces or elements with which organizational behavior is concerned. By learning the forces, you will be able to learn about a complex set of forces or elements that affect the nature of today's organization. So in the previous class, I explained about, in order to understand the organizational behavior, some of the concepts are very important. In that, forces are one important concepts that are going to help us to understand the organizational behavior. Forces are the complex set that affect the nature of organizations today. Forces can be classified into four areas. They are people, structure, technology, and environment in which the organization operates. When this slide shows about the diagrammatic representation of the four forces that are involved in the organizational behavior. When people work together in an organization to achieve an objective, that is a goal, the structure is required for formal relationships. People also use technology and work well to become productive. Altogether, people, structure, and technology interact. In addition to all these elements, the external environment or outside environment also influences the organizational behavior. Now, let us look into the people. People make up the internal social system of the organization. The system consists of individual and group. A group can be a larger group as well as a small one. There are unofficial, informal groups and more official and formal ones. Group is considered as a dynamic, that means they can form, they can change, or they can disband. People are living, thinking, feeling, being who worked in the organization to achieve their objectives. So, we must remember that organizations exist to serve people rather than people existing to serve organization. The workforce has become richly diverse, which means the employees have different educational backgrounds, talents, and perspectives towards their jobs. Occasionally, this diversity presents challenges for management to resolve. So, managers need to be tuned into these diverse patterns and trends and be prepared to adapt to them. Second is about the structure. The structure is the formal relationship and use of people in organizations. To fulfill activities in the organization, various jobs are required, like there are managers, employees, accountants, and assemblers. These people have to be related in some structural way so that their work can be effectively coordinated. These relationships create complex problems of cooperation, negotiation, and decision making. Many organizational structures have become flatter, that means containing fewer levels. Some organization becomes complex due to mergers, acquisitions, and new ventures. Some hire contingent workforces, that means temporary or part-time or contract employees. Nowadays, many moved from traditional to team-based structure also. So, it is necessary to understand the structure of organization behavior. The third force is technology. The great benefit of technology is that it allows people to do more and better work, but sometimes it also restricts people in various ways. It has costs as well as benefits. For example, the increasing use of robots and automated control systems, advances in computer hardware and software capabilities, technological advancement putting pressure on organizational behavior to maintain the delicate balance between technical and social system. Fourth, environment. All the organizations are going to function within an internal and external environment. A single organization does not exist alone. It is a part of larger system that contains many other elements such as government, family and other organizations also. So various changes in the environment create demands on the organization such as people expect organization to be socially responsible. People also expect for new products and competition for customers come from around the globe. Direct impact of union diminishes. Dramatic pace of change in society quickens. Next. The above all factors, but mainly globalization of the marketplace and its impact on organizational behavior influences on one another creates dynamic or chaotic context for a group of people. Individual organizations, whether factory or school, cannot escape being influenced by the external environment. Environment influences attitudes of people, affects working conditions, and provides competitions for resources and power. Therefore, environment must be considered in the study of human behavior in organization. So, to summarize this session, there are key forces or elements of organizational behavior. They are people, structure, technology and environment. People work to achieve an objective goal. To achieve a goal, structure is required for formal relationship. People use technology to work well. And in addition to all these elements, it is also, our OB is influenced by the external environment also. Thank you.